Solana has risen over 50% since the last low, but will we see the breakout upwards now, or will we continue consolidating in this range? In this video, I will talk about Solana and share my price prediction for the future. Before we start with the content, join my free Telegram group. There, I share daily analysis on Bitcoin, Solana, and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. If we look at Solana on the weekly time frame, we can see that it is already a very bullish coin because we have seen this extreme momentum after this longer consolidation phase. We tied this first supply zone upwards. We came here and initially saw rejection. That means we only saw this small wick above these last highs at this peak, took this liquidity and then corrected to the downside first. And since around April, we've been in this range. As you can see, we've been moving up since April from these last lows here. Meanwhile, we've seen some bullish support. Here we saw a bearish rejection, fell back down into this zone. And if we look at the price action, we can see that we have these candles here, and they always indicate that we're going down here, but the bearish force was not enough to push the price further down. On the contrary, the strength was enough to push the price back up, which means there was a bearish candle temporarily, but it closed bullish, and every time after that we've seen an increase. And just in the last movement, we broke this last high here upwards, saw the break of structure, and continued moving up. And now it really depends on whether we continue to get rejected here or manage to break through to the upside and reach this last high, because if we break this high upwards, then there's a good chance we'll reach these last highs here. And if we should break through this as well, then there is a high chance we will really see an explosion for Solana. If we break this last high upwards, maybe even retest it here at $209, the last bullish price would of course be the all-time high at around $259. The best coins in a bull run also see new all-time highs, and I think Solana is one of the coins that will definitely see a new all-time high, because Solana is a fantastic project with extremely high potential, and if we use the Fibonacci tool, then we get these next pricing days. And I think we could also reach this price target of around $918 in the bull run. That means from the current prices to this target, it would be over 400%. And I still think this would be a great deal for Solana and truly a realistic price target for this batch. I could also imagine seeing even higher prices for Solana, but I think this could be the next realistic price target. And if you're still looking for an exchange to trade Solana, then I can recommend Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very low fees. And via the link in the video description, you get up to $5,000 trading bonus on top. That means it is now very important how we react in this zone here. Whether we break above this and see truly bullish price action and real bullish acceptance, or if we get rejected here, because if we get rejected and break through this last warning zone downwards, then I think the chance is high that we will target significantly lower highs. But as long as we don't break below these last lows, below this blue demand zone, then I think the chances are high that we'll definitely hit the next ones and also see an explosion for Solana. So folks, thanks for watching. I wish you much success in trading, and until the next video.